Good Thursday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather in Atwood. Chris, another mild but breezy day on tap for the tri-state area.
Yeah, Joe, we've got some northwesterly winds out there this morning that are blowing right around 10 miles per hour. Got a 15-mile-an-hour wind there in Norton, and we expect them to pick up as we go later in the morning and into the afternoon. We could see afternoon wind gusts up there to 30 to 35 miles per hour. So that has elevated this fire weather concerns with this being a cooler, slightly cooler. Like you said, it's still mild for this time of year, and dry air mass. So there is a red flag warning that will be in place for all of our counties that are north and east of a line from Benkelman to Hoxie, and then you drop down there, and we also got Gove County. So those are the areas where we expect the wind gusts to be the strongest, lowest relative humidities, thus the fire weather concerns. Temperature-wise, we're starting out this morning in the 30s across the region. We got the coldest reading of 34 in Ray and Goodland. We got 38 in Burlington, 39 in Colby, Atwood, and Oberlin, and we got a 38-degree reading up there in McCook. Afternoon-wise, our temperatures will top out in those upper 60s. We'll have sunshine, and then the winds will diminish later this evening and overnight, and those lows will drop into the upper 30s. Then we got a change in the pattern for tomorrow and Saturday. What's going to happen is we're going to have a high-pressure ridge that'll build out west on tomorrow, turn the winds to a south direction, 10 to 20, gusting to 25 miles per hour, so there is a marginal risk for some fire weather concerns. High temperatures will climb up there into the upper 70s, and it'll be a warm day across the plains. And then on Saturday, that ridge axis will set directly overhead. We got a southwesterly wind that could be 15, 25, maybe 30 miles per hour. Thus, we expect elevated fire concerns. And temperatures are going to shoot up there into the upper 80s, maybe low 90s, which could break some records for this time of year across the area. And we're going to see overnight lows in the upper 40s, which is unseasonably warm. And then on Sunday and Monday, we got a low pressure that'll move through. It'll drag a cold front through the area. We could see some light rain showers Sunday night through midday Monday, maybe picking up 10, 20, 30 points of moisture. And we'll also see some cooler temperatures, but the winds are going to continue to blow. And without a lot of precipitation in the forecast, and it could be scattered and hit and miss, we could see the fire conditions continue. We'll see a high temperature in the lower 70s on Sunday, upper 60s on Monday. Overnight low temperatures in that 30 to 35 degree range. So they could be below freezing starting off the mornings, and a little bit chilly, especially with those winds blowing. And then when we get to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, high pressure kind of moves back in. We'll see temperatures climb back into the 70s. We'll watch a system on Wednesday. It looks like it's going to take a south track through the state, which would put precipitation south of I-70 and out of the immediate listing area. So there could be some clouds there on Wednesday, but for the most part, it looks like 70-degree temperatures, maybe hitting 80 on Thursday, overnight lows above freezing in the 30s. And we're still looking longer range as we head to the last 10 days of the month. The computer models are still showing that the pattern gets active from the west, and we could pick up some decent moisture for the last 10 days of the month.
Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's weather streaming channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Zurich.